Well, hello everyone. My name is Komang Christania Wijaya, and now I will present about the data that I have found before in the journal. And one of the interesting topic is about student satisfaction about independent learning during the distant learning. Well, the purpose of the data is to find out the percentage of student agreement, which is about during the distant learning they can learn independently, or in the other hand, in the other word, we can say that how far they can learn by their own effectively. So the data is get from 384 respondents from student of IAI and Padang Sinimpuan. So here's the data. So the data is use ordinal scale. We can see that from the sequence. The first one is strongly disagree, the second one is disagree, the third one is neutral, and the next one is agree, and the last one is strongly agree. So the data also use an independent variable. We can see that based on the data, the percentage of neutral is very high. In the other word, most of the students are decide neutral or feel between agree and disagree that during the distant learning, they can learn independently at home. But in the other hand, the lowest level or percentage is strongly agree. Only rest of students are strongly agree that online learning can build their independent learning. Well, for the conclusion, actually learning independently is one of the key for distant learning successful. Yet only rest of the students are that strongly agree with it, and most of them are neutral. We can say that most of the student are feel sometimes they can learn by their own, but sometimes they can't learn independently during the distant learning. Well, for the implicator, the teacher should motivate the student to increase in their independent learning because there is no choice. The student have to face distant learning. So maybe the teacher can be make a quiz or a discussion before the class begin. Therefore, to make sure that all of the student already learn or read the material. Um, for the and in the other hand, for the student should try to improve their independent learning, such as find the various sources when face a problem that relate with study. So the student have to learn by their own, such as more read a journal or read or watch a video that relate with the material to at home to create an effectively learning process, although it is from distant learning. Well, I think that's all from me about the data. I would like to say thank you so much for